See, all the factories, for that matter of fact, any industry that comes up, if they have followed their procedure and if they have followed all the requirements of the government, which also include to a large extent permissions when they're given from the local people in terms of land that is being bought, then all those procedures once followed, it is wrong for the government simply to close down without any valid reason. But if there are illegal plants, and if there are plants that have not followed the procedure, if there are plants that have not taken the required NOC and the required CTO, CTE, or the required single window agency clearance, then definitely we are happy to get the information and act on those factories that have not taken those necessary permissions. But closing down factories that have followed the procedure and closing down factories that are doing the business in the legal manner would set a very, very wrong example of the state's stand on ease of doing business or allowing entrepreneurship and business to come up out here. So therefore, if there are illegal companies and factories, definitely the government will take action on them.